This is the DEVOS LightRanger 2000, and this is why we like it. Why we like it is a channel about stuff we like. Hey, if you don't like it, that's okay, move along. But if you like it, subscribe. Developing outdoor solutions for the backyard or the backlands, that's what DEVOS' name stands for, and once again, they've exceeded my expectations with the LightRanger 2000. If you're not familiar with the LightRanger products, they're a line of rechargeable telescoping lights that you can use around the home or for outdoor adventures. The LightRanger 2000 kit really comes with everything you need, including this water-resistant carry bag. Now what's cool is inside there's a little mini pouch that has a 30-watt AC wall charger, a USB-C charging cord, and these mini spikes that you can hold your tripod down with. Inside, there's also a manual that has great pictures, easy to understand operations, and it even tells you how to download the app. Hold on, there's an app? Yeah, we're going to talk about that a little bit later. The LightRanger has 4 sets of LED lights. This way, each section can be turned on or off as needed, and they're dimmable. But what makes this unique compared to other models is you don't need a colored filter kit because the amber and the red LEDs are built right into the unit. On the back bottom, you're going to find your plug for your USB-C charging, and you'll see that each side is identical when it comes to the LED configuration. With a body made out of plastic, the top this time is actually made out of cast metal, and you're going to recognize the patented molded receiver that's perfect for the other LightRanger integrations, like their solar panel. Check this out, you can get this 20-watt solar panel that clips into the top of your LightRanger, and you can charge up during the day, so you can light it up during the night. Or integrate with the Ampac 10, which is a power bank that gives you extra runtime when you plug it together with your LightRanger. And here we're using it with the solar panel as well. The tripod is compact and portable and adjusts down from 3 feet all the way up to 10 feet. And this is an ingenious idea. They've added holes for pegs so that you can hold your tripod to the ground. One more thing they've added to this robust new tripod design is a spring-loaded leg mechanism, which actually gives you 2 different footprint widths when you're setting up your tripod. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the 1200 and the 2000 right next to each other. As we wait for the sun to go down, let's light a campfire, and I'll tell you about a few more of my favorite features on the LightRanger 2000. The easy push-button design allows you to turn on, dim, or choose between light quadrants or select between amber or red. But the biggest feature that I've been waiting for from DEVOS is an app that I could control from my smartphone or my tablet once I've actually gotten into my rooftop tent. Now this is the game changer. From the app you can turn on the light, adjust the light, select the different light quadrants that you want to have on or off, and you can then toggle between amber, red, or white. Now what also is really cool about this is once you've turned off the light from the app, if you want to make an adjustment, like say change from red to amber, or to turn the light down, or turn only one quadrant on, when you turn the app back on, that setting is going to remain. The sun has finally gone down. I have my tripod set to about 6 feet, and I'm going to walk through the different light configurations of the LightRanger. Now this puts out 2,000 lumens, and this can actually light up an 80-foot diameter area. So you can see why this is ideal for camping or overlanding, RVing, or backyard sports. These are really great to have just for emergency preparedness or if you need them around the home for a home improvement project. The light itself has a powerful 67-watt battery that can actually be used to charge other devices. As a camper and an overlander, one thing that I've learned is power management, so I want us to take a minute and talk about it. If you're running this full, all 2,000 lumens, it's going to last about 4 hours of runtime. Now, what's awesome though, if you turn it down to a lower setting, you can actually get up to 100 hours of runtime. I've moved the camera back and I've set the tripod now 10 feet high, so you can get a better understanding of the light spread from the LightRanger. Let's finish up with a side-by-side comparison of the LightRanger 1200 and the new LightRanger 2000. Hey, if you want to find out more about DEVOS, go check out their website at devosoutdoor.com. That's DEVOS outdoor.com. Thanks for watching to the end. Please like and subscribe. This is stuff we like and why we like it. If you're anything like us, we know you're gonna like it too.